To factor this trinomial, we need to first see if we have a GCF that we can factor out first, which in this case we don't. So next we want to see if we can actually factor this, since it could be a perfect square trinomial. We can use the AC method, but that would give us really big numbers. 36 times 49 would be a very big number. So let's see if it's a perfect square trinomial. Then we could factor this easier. So we're going to start by finding the square root of the first term, which in this case would be 6x, and the square root of the last term, which in this case would be 7. Now remember, the perfect square trinomial looks like the following. A squared plus or minus, depending on the problem, 2ab plus b squared can be factored into just a plus or minus, depending on the sign of the middle term, b squared. So if we can get 2ab to equal 84x, then we've confirmed that we have a perfect square trinomial. And we're going to use 6x for my a, and then we're going to use 7 for my b. So let's see what we have for 2ab. So 2 times 6x times 7 is in fact 84x. So that means we can factor this trinomial using our simple factor pattern. So it's going to be a plus b squared. And it's plus because the middle term is positive, plus. So this problem's factored form would be 6x plus 7 squared.